They're like asteroids. Oh, there's some harder ones.
Yeah, a bit harder. I wonder if I can film up. Oh, look over now.
Jeez. Okay. Alright, Mike. No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. I just can't do like multiple things at once. So it's just hard. Oh yeah, that's we're trying to get a hail video and stuff.
There are some tennis balls.
Alright, I need to go though, man.
They're getting big.
Alright. Okay, alright. Bye. Oh, I can hear him.
Look up. Look up.
Whoa!
Oh, I got that on video.
Oh, I got that on video.
We'll stop right up here. Wonder if I can film up. Oh, look at over now.
Jeez. Get something bigger. Oh, there's some big ones.
Yeah, they're exploding all behind me.
Oh, yeah. Can I grab it?
I can hear more coming behind us in town. You know, go. Whoosh. They're really not that big right now. No, I'm not gonna get in it.